Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your password in Hotmail. Let's begin. First, go to the official website, right? And once you've successfully signed in, I want you to go ahead and click on your profile icon right over here. Click on it, then click on My Profile. This will open your uh, account information or Microsoft account, right? Then over here on the left panel, click on security, all right? Then you would like to click on the two-step verification over here, and it might ask you to enter a code that you're going to send to your email or phone number. Once done, you will now be able to access this page, and you should be able to click over here, which says change password, and over here change. Click on that. It will just ask you to enter your new password. Make sure to hit save changes after you have successfully entered your new password. Okay, make sure it's a combination of upper, lower cases, symbols, and numbers. And that's it. After hitting save, you have successfully changed your password in Hotmail or Outlook. I hope you found this video very helpful.